channel. My name is Stephanie if you're new here. I am a new YouTuber and I make videos on fashion, luxury handbags, and lifestyle. If that is something that you're interested in, I would encourage you to subscribe and give my video a thumbs up. Drop a comment if you like what you see. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Marc Jacobs small tote bag. So here I have it, the Marc Jacobs small tote bag in the pink color. They do have other colors in this bag. I know they have like a tan, like almost like a dark olive green, a black, but every season they do come out with new colors and new styles for the season. I got the pink because I thought it was a fun color, and I was gonna do black, but I just felt like black is just, everybody has black. So I thought I would do this pretty pink color. This purse does have a black adjustable strap. Both straps on each side come off just like that. So you could wear it with the black strap or by itself, handheld, which I think it's cute both ways. It does have a zipper closure on it that works so well. I still have mine stuffed with the paper that it came with. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove that. It's incredibly spacious on the inside, and it's got two compartments. So you can kind of, I don't know if you could see it. So it's got two compartments. So it's got the two compartments, and then it has a zipper as well. Opens up like that. This bag is incredibly big. This bag is incredibly sturdy. It's made out of like a fabric material. This bag is extremely sturdy and extremely spacious, so it holds quite a bit of things. It's perfect if you want to take this on the go to do grocery shoppings, everyday errands, or anywhere where you might be packing a little bit more than usual, because it does hold quite a bit of things. If you want, I can film a what fits in this bag, because I'm telling you, it is so spacious. This is what the side of it looks like. The back. And the bottom. So I really like this bag. I think it's super cute. I know that several department stores actually carry this bag. You can get it at Neiman Marcus, Nordstrom. I think it retails for about $175, which for this style bag is very worth it. I think it holds quite a bit, and it literally looks like a tough bag. Like, you can put this bag through some things and it'll hold just well. Obviously it says the tote bag by Marc Jacobs. It does come in a larger size. I don't know how much that retails for, but it also comes in other designs. I've seen it made in leather. I've seen it in tie-dye, so it definitely comes in different styles. I think it's really fun. You could probably put a purse organizer in here because it's so spacious, so your things don't get lost in it. That would actually be ideal for this bag because it can hold so much. Let's see. I have my cell phone here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in one of the pockets just to show you what it looks like. So it holds my phone very well, and as you can see, it has another pocket, goodness, it has another pocket right there. I also have my iPad. So I have my iPad Pro, I think it is. I'm not sure what style it is. My husband got it for me, but it can fit perfectly in this bag. I mean, there's still so much room. Let me show you. So you still have room over here and over here. You can see that. So this would actually be a great work bag if you do like carry a laptop, or if you have to carry an iPad. It would be a great mom bag if you have kids and you need to carry like diapers, wipes, anything like that, and it's still very stylish, so I would recommend it for that as well. It's not as expensive as some of the other designer purses, so it's like Marc Jacobs is a designer, but obviously it's not like a high-end designer, more like entry level. So not that you'd want to get your bag dirty by any means, but maybe a little bit more carefree than the other luxury handbags. I'm going to go ahead and insert a couple mod shots and show you what it looks like. I'm going to wear it both handheld, and I'm going to wear it crossbody and over my shoulder. So this is what it looks like on the crook of your elbow. I think this is a great way to carry it, and then it has the bag strap that kind of hangs below. This is wearing it over your shoulder, and I will say that with my laptop in here, it is a little weighted, but the strap is extremely comfortable. And then crossbody. So So I will say it is a little heavy with my laptop in there. It's probably a little bit more heavier than what you're used to carrying, right? Because most people don't carry a laptop with them. However, this strap is so soft and so comfortable that you really don't even notice it. I probably won't wear it crossbody. I may carry it like a top handle, or I may kind of throw it over my shoulder and wear it that way. I feel like that's more comfortable for my frame, but I think it's so worth it. This is a great buy for the price. If you're just looking for something a little stylish, but a little bit more carefree, I think this is the bag to go with. Again, this is the Marc Jacobs Tote bag. That's what it looks like. If you like these types of videos and want to see more like them, then go ahead and please hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, drop a comment. Any way you want to show your support, I would appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.